train your English voice to use to and ing with verbs. All sentences must have a verb, and there are different ways to use verbs. When you want to say what you want to do, you use the structure verb plus to. For example, I want to become a guitarist, or I want to go to the bookshop. When you want to say what you enjoy doing, you use verb plus ing. For example, I enjoy playing the guitar, or I love going shopping. Some verbs can be used with any of the two options, verb plus to or verb plus ing. For example, I like to sing, or I like singing. Another example, I like to run, or I like running. When we use would like, then we use the structure would like to plus verb. For example, I would like to learn how to play the drums. Or, would you like to sing this song with me? Another example, I would like to go to the theater.